Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of decorative wood art ideas to make extra money as a woodworker you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is an art form that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and functionality. For many woodworkers, the passion for creating beautiful items from timber can also be a lucrative venture. Decorative wood art is a niche that offers numerous possibilities for those looking to make extra money while indulging in their craft. The beauty of decorative wood art lies in its versatility. It can range from intricate carvings and sculptures to functional items like furniture and home decor. Here are some ideas that can inspire woodworkers to explore this rewarding field. One popular avenue in decorative wood art is creating wall art. This can include everything from wooden signs with personalized messages to abstract designs made from various types of wood. Using techniques like wood burning or pyrography, woodworkers can add intricate details to their pieces, making them unique and appealing. Custom wall art is particularly popular among homeowners looking to add a personal touch to their living spaces. By offering personalized options, such as family names or meaningful quotes, woodworkers can attract a broader audience. Another idea is to create wooden sculptures. Sculptures can range from small tabletop pieces to larger garden installations. The choice of wood type can significantly affect the final product's aesthetic appeal. For instance, using reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm, while polished hardwoods can lend a more sophisticated look. Woodworkers can experiment with different finishes, such as stains or paints, to enhance the natural beauty of the wood and create eye-catching pieces. Participating in local art shows or craft fairs can help showcase these sculptures and attract potential buyers. Incorporating mixed media into wood art can also open up new creative avenues. Combining wood with materials like metal, glass, or stone can result in striking pieces that stand out in any setting. For example, a wooden frame with a glass insert can be used to create a unique piece of wall art or a decorative mirror. By blending different materials, woodworkers can offer one-of-a-kind items that appeal to collectors and art enthusiasts. Furniture design is another area where decorative wood art can thrive. Custom furniture pieces, such as coffee tables, side tables, and benches, can be designed with artistic flair while still serving practical purposes. Woodworkers can incorporate unique shapes, textures, and finishes to create standout furniture that doubles as art. For instance, a coffee table with an intricate inlay design or a bench with carved details can become conversation starters in any home. Selling custom furniture through online platforms or local markets can provide a steady income stream for skilled craftsmen. Home decor items are always in demand, and woodworkers can tap into this market by creating a variety of decorative pieces. Items like wooden trays, coasters, candle holders, and picture frames can be made with artistic designs that appeal to customers looking for unique home accents. Personalization options, such as engraving names or dates, can add value to these items and make them perfect for gifts. Craft fairs and online marketplaces are excellent venues for selling these smaller decorative pieces. Another innovative idea is to create functional art for outdoor spaces. Garden art, such as birdhouses, planters, or decorative garden stakes, can enhance the beauty of any yard or garden. Using weather-resistant finishes ensures that these pieces withstand the elements while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. Additionally, incorporating whimsical designs or themes can attract customers looking to add character to their outdoor spaces. Offering custom designs based on customer preferences can further increase sales potential. Upcycling is a growing trend in the woodworking community and presents an opportunity for woodworkers to create decorative art from reclaimed materials. Old pallets, barn wood, and discarded furniture can be transformed into stunning pieces of art with some creativity and skill. Upcycled items not only have a unique charm but also appeal to environmentally conscious consumers who appreciate sustainable practices. By showcasing before and after photos of projects on social media or at local markets, woodworkers can draw attention to their craftsmanship and eco-friendly approach. Seasonal decorations provide another chance for woodworkers to make extra money. Creating holiday-themed items, such as ornaments, wreaths, or seasonal signs, can attract customers looking to enhance their festive decor. Crafting unique pieces for various holidays throughout the year keeps the product line fresh and encourages repeat business. Offering workshops where customers can create their own seasonal decorations under guidance can also be a profitable venture. Artistic cutting boards are another popular item that merges functionality with aesthetic appeal. Woodworkers can create beautifully designed cutting boards using various hardwoods and incorporate unique shapes or engravings. These boards not only serve as practical kitchen tools but also make stunning serving platters for entertaining guests. Marketing these items as both functional kitchenware and decorative pieces can attract a diverse customer base. Networking within the woodworking community is invaluable for growth and learning opportunities. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums allows woodworkers to connect with others who share similar interests and experiences. These connections can lead to collaborations, referrals, and valuable feedback on techniques or business strategies. Attending woodworking conventions or trade shows provides exposure to new trends and tools while allowing artisans to showcase their work to a larger audience. Developing a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in the competitive market of decorative wood art. Woodworkers should consider creating a logo that reflects their style and values while developing cohesive branding across all platforms. Online stores, social media profiles, and promotional materials should align visually and thematically. A well-defined brand helps build recognition and trust among customers. Lastly, customer service plays a crucial role in building a loyal customer base. Prompt communication regarding inquiries or custom orders fosters positive relationships with buyers. Providing clear information about shipping times, return policies, and care instructions enhances the overall customer experience. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews or testimonials adds credibility to the business and attracts new clients. In conclusion, decorative wood art presents numerous opportunities for woodworkers looking to make extra money while pursuing their passion. From creating unique wall art and furniture pieces to exploring mixed media and upcycling projects, the possibilities are endless. Engaging with the community through workshops, collaborating with other artists, and leveraging social media platforms are effective strategies for promoting one's work. By developing a strong brand identity and prioritizing customer service, woodworkers can establish themselves in this vibrant market while enjoying the satisfaction of creating beautiful art from timber. Embracing creativity and innovation will undoubtedly lead to success in the world of decorative wood art. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.